the threat of COVID-19, one local business owner is giving back to those who are protecting all of us every day.
911 Restoration in Fairfield is sanitizing and deep cleaning the vehicles of first responders for free. It takes about 10 minutes to clean each car. That's sprayed with a heavy-duty cleaner that kills 99% of germs and bacteria.
Being a restoration services company, we're kind of at the forefront as far as experience, training to handle disaster.
We're real grateful for 911 Restoration to come in, especially at a time like this.
Basically using a product called Mediclean, and they use it a lot at the hospitals. It's for the coronavirus, H1N1. There's nothing we can't do to help these guys have a little bit better sense of security.
Our guests at Good Samaritan Rescue Mission and our staff feel very comfortable with knowing that the precautions are being taken so that we don't have a spread of the COVID-19.